How to insert social media and website links on YouTube channel. Greetings. Front screen. I'll go just along here. So we go up to that logo there and click on YouTube Studio. Okay, let's go to customization. And then click basic info. So customization, basic info. Also, you can just put all your other links under. When you say publish a video, you can put some information if you've got affiliate links, but don't put the affiliate links down here. This is specially made for social media and website links only. So we'll start with our first link and give it a name. Facebook. Where's my Facebook page? I've got it already there. So I'll just drag that down a bit so you can see. So Facebook page is open. Just grab that there. That's to your home page. And just stick the URL there. And hit publish. Add another link. That'll be Twitter. Where's Twitter? Up there. Grab that link. Make sure the home page is open and it's got the right link there. Go back and click on that. Publish. Few more. I'll do MeWe. I'm hoping everyone will move over to MeWe. It's a good platform. And let's put MeWe. And because you got you're allowed 5 links. Add one more link, and that'll be for website. And where's my website? Just there. Surface Paradise Local. I don't use this YouTube channel. It's just I've got one because it's got over 10,000. This is just when I started years ago, but the other YouTube channel went off. I had one video that went viral and ended up getting 10,000 likes. Subscriptions. Okay. View channel. There they are. Facebook, Twitter, MeWe. Right down. And even the website logo come out. Amazing. But gee, it's tiny. It's a shame it couldn't be a bit bigger. But that's how it works. But you need links on your YouTube channel. It's a must because people might want to try to find your social media platforms. So yeah, that's about it. I hope I've helped you. Catch you later, guys. Bye.